Stay connected to your home even when you're not there. With video monitoring, you'll never miss an important moment. Check in on your property anytime, from anywhere with clear live streaming video, all from the mobile app. We have a full lineup of doorbells to meet any need. See who's at the door before they even ring the bell, have a conversation with them, or unlock the door to let them in. With video analytics, you can set up customized video alerts to focus on people, vehicles, animals, or specific areas of your property, so you only get the alerts that matter to you. Plus, our familiar vehicle analytics allow you to identify specific vehicles as known. Video analytics can also be used as a powerful deterrent for unwanted visitors. Set up a rule to trigger your home's smart lights when a person is detected on your property after dark. And with integrated Perimeter Guard proactive defense, you can stop intruders in their tracks with your camera's attention-grabbing combination of sound alerts and flashing red LEDs. When a door opens or the alarm goes off, your cameras can automatically start recording. And with onboard recording and remote video monitoring services, get peace of mind knowing that your home is protected 24/7. Feel closer to your home every day, no matter where you are with video monitoring.